Hello guys, welcome back with the second regular puzzle in this daily newspaper of Friday. Yes, it's Friday, March the 11th, 2022, and we have only two regular Sudokus, no additional, no extra puzzles. What I will do is after this heavy Sudoku in the evening, I will do the rest of the puzzles in the Tuesday edition. Yeah, there are puzzles left in the Tuesday edition. But first, I will solve this baby number 4243. Okay, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in additional, this will be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. We have an 8 in this column. 8 in the middle column. So the column next down, need 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there ain't no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, no, need 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see then 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8, 8. Well, I cannot continue with the 8. I need more information. How about the 9 in this row, the 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9. 9. Cannot continue with the 9. Interesting. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see a 1 in the second row. So no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column. 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And I cannot continue with the 1 anymore, so let me continue with the other digits. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, or there. Well, we see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. And we have a pair. 5 and a 6 in this column. 5 and a 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. So 2 numbers left in the middle column. For the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, and a 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Okay. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Well, we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see that 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see that 9, no 9 there. Here, 9, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 9. Oh, wait. Okay. Then. Let me think. How about? Yeah. Which number can I pick? 1, 2, 7. Yeah, 3 missing numbers. In this row, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, 6 and the 7 is missing. 257, 257, 257. We have a 2 and a 7 in this column, so no 2 and a 7 in this box. The 2 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. That's a pair, 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. 1 box left in this row for number 5. Okay. All right. Then. How about? Oh, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 already, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Overlooked. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, or the last column. Only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So the first row, only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 2. Okay, 1 box left in the first row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. Okay. Then, how about? Yeah. 3 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 3, 5, 6. 3, 5, 6. Look, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. Here we have a 3, so no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. So the 5 and the 6 are left. 5 and the 6. Okay, I cannot fill this yet. Otherwise, it's too messy. And I only mark the boxes inside a big square. If I cannot, then, well, then I will do this. But now, at this moment, I will do it later. Okay. So we have a 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column and only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3, 3. 3, 3. Okay. Cannot continue with the 3. Need to wait. 8, 8. Well, in this last column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. Well, we have an 8 there, so no 8 there. Here another 8, no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 here. Here also an 8. No 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. Okay. Alright. Well, 4 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are, well, we have 5, 6, and a 3, and a 7. Yeah, I see here 2 different pairs, or 2 different numbers. So the 3, 7, 5, and a 6 are missing. Yeah, 3, 7, 5, 6. 3, 7, 5, 6. Here we have a 5, 6. Here we have 3, 7. Well, this box cannot be a 5, cannot be a 6. So 3 or a 7 are left. We already have a 7 there, so this box should be a 3. Okay, now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 7. So 2 numbers left, the 5 and the 7, 5 and the 6. Correction, 5 and the 6. Okay, cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 5 and the 6, so need a 7 here. Okay, 7 in this row, 7 in the third row. So the row between, only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. You see there 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. It's moved. Okay, let me place this here. Okay, can we count? And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 7. Oh, wait. Then 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square, the numbers 1 is missing. 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and the 8, 1 and the 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 and 8. Okay. Then 1 and 8. How about these 3 missing numbers? The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. Well, cannot fill this yet. How about these 2 boxes? In the first column, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So now we have 2 numbers left in this big square. I believe the 4 and the 6 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and the 6. Yeah, 5 and a 6. 2 missing numbers. This big square, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 and more. That box should be a 6. This box should be a 5. Okay. Then now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 and more. That box should be 6. And this box should be a 4. Okay, 1 box left in this third column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Okay. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this middle row for numbers. 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes again. 1 box left in the last row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. So 1 is missing, 2, 3, and a 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. How about these 3 missing numbers? The 1 is missing. 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6. 1, 3, 6, and look, we have a 3 and a 6 in this column. So no 3 and a 6 in this box. The 3 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1, 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. So 1 digit left should be the 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be an 8. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can be 8 and more. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 4. Now we have a... Wait. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 and more. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 and more. That box should be 6, and this box should be a 3. Finished in 50 minutes. Well, a little bit slower than I expected. Yeah, could be faster. Anyway, I like this one. I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, I'm interested in these center boxes of the big squares. I'm analyzing those numbers for 5 weeks. Maybe I can see a pattern, maybe you can see a pattern. 3, 2, 6, 3, 2, 6, 1, 5, 8, 1, 5, 8, and 7, 3, 4. 7, 3, 4. Here we have, I believe, 1 pair. The 3s. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 1 pair. Alright. Thank you for watching again, and I will see you maybe later in the evening for the rest of the puzzles, yeah, of the Tuesday edition. Until then, bye bye for now. Otherwise, have a great and fantastic weekend, and we will meet again then tomorrow. Yeah, bye bye for now.